Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In the world of medical device regulation, change is constant. But occasionally, a regulatory body introduces a change so significant and sweeping that it demands the immediate attention of the entire industry. This is precisely what happened in China. On July 21, 2026, the National Medical Products Administration, or NMPA, released a staggering 57 new final guidelines for medical devices. This unprecedented move has created immediate and substantial compliance challenges for any manufacturer wishing to enter or remain in the Chinese market. Typically, regulatory authorities release new guidelines incrementally, allowing manufacturers time to adapt. However, the NMPA's decision to publish 57 guidelines simultaneously signals a major push to standardize and elevate technical review standards across a wide range of device categories. These guidelines are not drafts. They are final and effective immediately as of their publication date, July 21, 2026. They cover everything from specific product testing protocols and clinical evaluation requirements to the expected content and format of technical documentation. The sheer volume and immediate implementation mean there is no grace period for adjustment. The impact of this announcement is broad, affecting virtually every medical device manufacturer with interests in China. This includes companies preparing new product submissions as well as those with existing products on the market that are approaching their 5-year registration renewal. Whether your device is a simple Class II instrument or a complex Class III implant, it is highly likely that one or more of these new guidelines apply to your product. The new standards set a higher bar for the evidence required to demonstrate safety and efficacy, meaning that documentation that was sufficient yesterday may be considered deficient today. For manufacturers with submissions currently in progress or planned for the near future, the obligation is clear. Your dossiers must conform to these new guidelines immediately. This will likely require significant revisions to your technical documentation, updates to your clinical evaluation reports, and potentially even new product testing to generate the data now required by the NMPA. For products already on the market, the challenge arises during the renewal process. The NMPA will expect renewal applications to demonstrate compliance with the latest standards, which means a simple resubmission of the original dossier will no longer be acceptable. A thorough update is now mandatory to maintain market access. So, what are the practical actions your team should take right now? First, we recommend an immediate triage of all 57 guidelines. Your regulatory team must quickly identify which of these new documents are relevant to your specific product portfolio. Do not assume any product is unaffected. Second, for each applicable guideline, you must conduct a detailed GAC assessment. Compare your existing technical files, clinical data, and testing reports against the new requirements line by line. This analysis will form the basis of your remediation plan and highlight where additional work or data generation is needed. Third, based on this gap assessment, you must strategically allocate resources. The workload to update multiple product dossiers can be immense, so prioritizing products based on their commercial importance and registration renewal deadlines is critical. Finally, we advise you to open a dialogue with your NMPA legal agent or local representative in China. Their on-the-ground insight into how local reviewers are interpreting and applying these new guidelines is invaluable and can help you avoid common pitfalls and submission deficiencies. Navigating such a significant regulatory shift can be daunting, but proactive and strategic planning is key to ensuring uninterrupted market access in China. If you need assistance with gap assessments, dossier remediation, or developing a regulatory strategy for the Chinese market, please check out Pure Global. Our team of local experts and advanced AI tools are here to help you navigate global market access challenges. For more resources, check the description for links to our free AI tools and global device database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.